So for today's video, I decided to sit down and do like a get ready with me because I just feel like it. It's Sunday, very casual, and I thought it would be fun. I picked up a few new makeup products and it's been a while since I picked up makeup products, and I'm excited to put them on and do a get ready with me. I am trying it in a different location because there's like more natural lighting, and I just feel like the natural lighting and being around a lot of like light color things make me look so pale. But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna do a get ready with me, just talk and chat and put some new makeup on and everything like that. My dog is here, so I'm sure you will be seeing her very soon. So I have already done my moisturizer, eye cream, and SPF. If you're forgetful with your SPF, get something that's like cute packaging. This is not SPF, but get something that's like cute packaging, that's small, that you can put beside like your moisturizer. This way you want to grab it and you're probably more likely to grab it. So try and get something that's like cute, small. You'll probably want to grab it. So I'm going to use the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur, because I'm almost done this. Trying not to make a mess because I'm on my couch. I think the thing with natural lighting is it like comes in and out, but I'm not even gonna bother with that. So I'm gonna let that sit into the skin, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Now I have been using the Winky Luxe Universal Eyebrow Pencil. I'm gonna use this. I have been loving it because I am blonde and I have dark roots, and sometimes I like to have my brows a little darker and sometimes I like to have my brows a little bit lighter. So I like using this, and I feel like because my brows are pretty full, I don't need something too like precise and pointy and small. So this for me works really well, and it also has a spoolie at the end, so I can just brush through my brow hairs and then apply the eyebrow pencil. So I'm going to do that. I actually normally use like a brow gel in my eyebrows, but I actually finished the one I had from ColourPop, so I am waiting for my FabFitFun box because I actually picked the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, but I'm waiting for it, and I'm waiting. I miss brow gel, but I'm getting some in my box, so I'm not gonna buy some. But yeah, so anyway, these look like sisters, so that's good. Not twins, sisters. That is good. I'll just brush through them again. I do really like this. This is something I would consider purchasing again or something similar because I like this a lot. Foundation. I have not purchased a foundation in a long time. I was using BB creams, concealers, tinted sunscreen, so I went and picked up this foundation. It's a little bit dark for me. This is the Infallible Pro Glow 202 Creamy Natural. It's a tad dark, a little bit dark, but it's okay. It's summer, so it's okay. This is very liquidy, like it's extremely liquidy, so I have to be careful because I know I will get this all over my couch, and I don't want that. And yes, my brush is dirty, but I just washed them the other weekend. Like I washed them the other weekend and they've only been used for about a week, so it's not too bad. If you're wondering what I'm using for a mirror, it's the Going Coconuts palette, because actually, funny story, right before we moved out, actually I don't know if my boyfriend's up or not. I don't know if he can hear me, but before we moved out, I had a mirror and I was filming and I put the mirror on the bed. Short story is the mirror broke, so I don't have a mirror anymore. So anyway, I need to get a mirror, but for now I am using this and my viewfinder, and I think it's going fine. So I typically use about 2 pumps, well, squirts of this, and I use my e.l.f. brush. I don't know which one this is here. Oh, it's the foundation brush? Yeah, it's the foundation brush. I have had this brush for, I got foundation in my eyebrows. wasn't paying attention. Anyway, let's try and just, I'll fix it. But anyway, I've had this brush now for 3 years and the barrel just started to come loose, but I'm still loving it. So, okay, let me try and just like get this even. This is nice and light, it's long wearing, I really enjoy it. I have tried it with the Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer and I didn't really enjoy these together, but I liked it under my Smashbox one. I do enjoy this, I like this a lot. I could see myself getting this one in a lighter shade again after because it's just glowy, nice and dewy, lightweight. Now it doesn't stay on very well, like it will transfer. It does transfer, but other than that, I do really enjoy this for like day-to-day wear. Okay, now, concealer. I just got this. I actually had picked this up like years ago. I remember going to the drugstore with my cousin. We were looking for like concealer and I remember picking this one up. But I remember hating it because I remember I used to pick up the lightest shade of concealer. And I used to, this was when I was a teenager, I used to take a yellow eyeshadow, yellow, and I used to put that under my eyes to set the lightest shade of concealer so that it would cancel my veins. So my under eyes would just be yellow, they would not be set. The amount of concealer I would use, oh, this is my blendable. The amount of concealer I would use was crazy. And I would go to school like that. I would pick up the lightest shade of concealer, apply a ton of it. It would not be evenly like portioned because it was not. And I would just put yellow eyeshadow and I would go. So anyway, now that I don't do that, I find that this one is a good, nice, natural one, but my favorite concealer from the drugstore has been the Revlon one. I do really enjoy it. Like, I like it a lot. I feel like if you're looking for a good natural concealer that's gonna help cover like under your eyes, like this one does a good job. It's a medium coverage, light to medium, I find. But I prefer the Revlon one. But anyway, this one I wanted to use because I just picked this one up. The shade is good. It's an 11 Vanilla, so I like it. If you're looking for a drugstore concealer, you may enjoy this one. I picked this one up for $5 on sale. That's why I got it, because it was $5 on sale. I thought I'd give it another shot because teenager me did not use it right. So I actually placed an order from e.l.f. and I've been waiting. It's been about a week. And I picked up some setting powder, mascara, and some other stuff. So the only translucent powder that I have is this one from Mary Kay here. If you watched my other video, you would know why I no longer try and talk about Mary Kay on my channel and why I no longer review the products on my channel. And the short story is because they don't have any ingredients on their website, so the like buyers or the customers would not be able to know what they're buying. And for me personally, I would not purchase from a site that doesn't show ingredients, and I would just feel bad if one of you would pick something up and, you know, you don't agree with one of the ingredients. So short story is I just asked them to be removed from the PR list and I never heard back. So I'm assuming I was taken off of the PR list, never heard anything back at all. So what I did was I actually took all of the products that I had, and whatever is not used, this is a baby blendable. I'm so bad with that. But anyway, whatever products I have not used and have like ingredients on them, I'm gonna do like a local giveaway because they do have good products. It's just the fact that I like the transparency of knowing like what's in them. So anyway, everything that was like open that I had, I just donated to someone, and all the products that are not open, I'm gonna do like just a little giveaway so someone can have like a ton of makeup and a ton. So the only thing that I have left is this, just because I don't have a setting powder and I ordered one. It's not here yet. So I bought a concealer brush from Sephora. It was $5 on sale. I wanted to use this in the video and I forgot again. I wanted to use this the day I got it. I wanted to use this yesterday, and I wanted to use this today. I forgot. But anyway, I got this on sale for $5, and I actually have like a whole set of their like Smokey eye eyeshadow brushes, and I've had these forever and they're really good. So I picked this one up. I think it'll be good, and if I don't like it as a concealer brush, I can use it as something else. But you know, that's why I wanted to do this video, to show you some new things I picked up and to try it out. And I'm not a makeup expert. I'm just here doing my makeup. But anyway, okay, so I'm going to put some bronzer on. This here is not my shade. Here's the story about this. This was like 2 years ago, I think I got this. I seen everybody talking about this bronzer. So I went to the drugstore and I did not know that there were different shades of this bronzer. So I just picked up the first one that there is. And I'm very pale. So this one for me can be a little bit dark. So I go in with just a light hand and I don't use much, and I have had this now forever. Like, I had this forever, and this has been like the only bronzer that I've used. I do enjoy it. I like it a lot, but it's just a little dark for me. I think the next time I get a bronzer, I would get one that's matte, not so shimmery. But yeah, that's a story with this. Check the shades before you buy it. So I don't have a blush. Did I? Yes, I ordered some from e.l.f. So what I've been doing actually is trying to get more use out of my palette. So this here is the Too Faced Hot Buttered Rum. So I go in with this shade right here, and I use that as blush because I don't have any blush right now. I'm waiting for my e.l.f. blush to come in. I just take this blush brush from what's it called? Real Techniques. Oh my goodness, I was gonna call it Real Cosmetics, from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to apply some blush. So I actually don't have any highlighter. I'm gonna use this here, and I'm going to go in with this shimmer shade on the bottom. I don't use a lot of this, but I just use a bit just to brighten my face up a little more. It works for now because I don't have any highlight, but it just brightens the face up a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go into this palette because I'm trying to get use out of my palette. So I used this one for my face. Now I'm gonna use this one for my eyes. I'm going to go in with this one, which is Shredded, and I'm just going to put that on my eyes. And I'm just using these like Morphe Jeffree Star brushes. Here's the thing, I actually went to Sephora, I think a year ago, and I purchased these not because they were Jeffree Star, but because they looked like good brushes and they felt like good brushes. And I'll be honest, they are. So I just put this shade like kind of all over just to even everything out. Now, I'm just going to taking a fluffy brush. I don't know where these are from. My sister actually got these for me a very long time ago, and they still work. I'm gonna take a little bit of a Coolada right here. I'm just going to put this in like the crease and the outer edge of my eye just to kind of deepen up that a little bit. Now, I'm not going to do anything else because I feel like that's pretty nice and just natural there. So I'm going to take my smudge brush and just take a little bit of Coolada and put that underneath of my lower lash line. I feel like that has been a good way to like help reduce the look of like under eye lines. So now I have been using this Scandals Eyes from Rimmel London, and I have been liking it. I got this and I like it, and I think for $6 I'm going to use it up, but I feel like I have to use a lot of it, but the color stays and the color's nice. So if you're looking for like a good drugstore eyeliner, like color wise, these are nice. But yeah, so I'm gonna be right back. I can't do this with one hand and on camera. You can see like it's purple. It's like a nice purple. It's not like too purple. It's just like a really nice purple. Anyway, So this here is in the shade Deep Wine. I love the color. The only thing with this is I just find it also hard to get a precise line, and it's messy. Like, it's really, really messy. I don't know if you can see, like, I've only had this for about a week, but I've been loving it. So I'm not mad because it was $6 and I'm gonna use it up. And I really like the color, but I don't know if it's something that I would get again. I would get something like this again. Let me know your favorite like colored liners down below. The only mascara I have is the one from Mary Kay. Now the powder is not bad. It locks everything in. It just kind of leaves your face a little bit like white, where I find this mascara I don't like. I haven't liked it since I got it. You have to be very, very careful with it, and I don't know. This is their Phenorma ones. If you're going to get a mascara from them, get the Ultimate Mascara. That one was really good. I really like that one. But this one is a absolute no for me. I don't like it. I also find it very messy, and it's hard to be like accurate, and it's hard to get them even. So I have this, just a tint from ColourPop, and I'm going to, I don't know if it goes with the look, just going to put a gloss. It's from La Senza. It tastes amazing. So the last step that I do is I use a setting spray, and this is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and I like to just set my face. I had a mini, I purchased this one, I will purchase another, and I absolutely love it. So there we go. That is my little get ready with me. That is my natural look. I haven't posted like a get ready like this with me in a while, but I really wanted to sit down and do that today. So if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys at the next one. Bye.